how to remove recommended videos and channels on YouTube. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up YouTube application and then sign into your account. Once signed in, you can simply scroll through the home page of the YouTube app, and just like that, you can find a video you don't want to see anymore. Tap on this three dot icon. Now you can simply tap on Don't Recommend Channel. And that's it. That very channel will be removed from your YouTube homepage. You can even tap on this little icon again and select Not Interested. Choose carefully depending on what you want. As soon as you tap it, the video disappears instantly from your feed and your home screen is already getting cleaner. If you like to undo your actions, you can simply tap on this undo button and the video will appear again. That's it. Your YouTube feed is now more personalized and distraction-free. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.